Hey, what's up, garden friends? Jeff here, Tropical Plant Party. How's everybody doing? If you're good, I'm great. Why am I great? Because we get to do a haul today. Pretty hefty size haul, too. Now, not too long ago, somebody asked me... Whoops. So someone asked me a while ago if I have a preference for, like, a seed catalog. And I don't have necessarily a favorite, but I do have a company that I order from every single year, and that is, as you can probably see here, Burpee. Why Burpee? Well, I like their versatility. They have a huge variety of plants to choose from, and you can typically find their seeds for sale not just online, but at Lowe's, Home Depot, maybe even Walmart has them. I do like to order mine online just because I'm never guaranteed what's going to be in the store. And I've always had relatively good success sprouting their seeds. So let's go ahead and have a look at what we got here. First off, Luffa Gourds. These are really cool. You plant them, it's a vine, and at the end of the season you pluck off the gourds and peel off there's like a skin or a casing around them. And you have loofahs. I just thought that would be something kind of fun to have around, not necessarily something that is very ornamental. Alright, and then I also got these Strawflowers. Strawflowers, I believe these are the things we find glued on top of our cactus. And they're fun for cutting gardens. So that's what those are for. And then we have the Zinnia. This is the cut and come again mix. Really, they're supposed to have pretty large flowers, they're supposed to have a long blooming season, they're supposed to be really good for cutting, and they get 2 feet tall. I like the zinnias. A lot of the seeds I like are scatter seeds, seeds that I can just kind of toss out and forget about them, and they'll generally be fine on their own. That's mostly what I order. Oh, Cosmos Lemonade. Now, I have been seeing this particular variety of Cosmos everywhere this year, and chances are I would have been able to find it in the stores, but just to be safe, I ordered a packet of seeds. I like the kind of yellowy meringue sort of colors on the flowers. I think those are going to be really cool. Oh, next up, more zinnias. These are the Burpeeana Giants mix. 6-inch blooms up to 24 inches high. Those are some really big zinnias. 6-inch blooms, that's basically a dahlia, but not, because they're different plants. Are there any other zinnias? I should probably just go ahead and... I feel like I ordered a lot of different zinnias. Right, there's also the Zinnia Queen Red Lime. I love that particular zinnia. Grow it every single year. Also, am I saying Zinnia weird? Zinnia? How do you guys say it? I've always said Zinnia or Zinnia. Oh, Zinnia Forecast. These guys are really pretty. They're supposed to bloom for a really long time, and they describe them as being tenacious, meaning that they have a good lifespan. They're able to put up with a lot of different elements. Alright, now moving away from the zinnias, let's talk about some vegetables. Got the Gourmet Gold Summer Squash. Who doesn't love summer squash? I have a friend who recently moved out to a farm, so those are going to be for her, actually, as well as this other sure thing hybrid summer squash that's supposed to produce its squash a little bit earlier in the season for you. And then lastly, this is the Burpee's best hybrid summer squash. They call it the new Zucchini King. It's supposed to have a rich, buttery flavor and a harvest of only 40 days. That's really fast. Oh, and only a few left. Next up, Marigold Strawberry Blonde. I thought this was a really pretty marigold. They say it's a French marigold. Describe this as having a floriferous rush of bicolor pastel pink, rose, and yellow blooms. It's supposed to be bushy as well. Who doesn't love a nice, brightly colored marigold? Oh, I forgot a vegetable. This is a sweet corn, baby corn. I just kind of wanted to grow those for fun. It's really kind of nonsense. You can buy them in a can for pretty cheap, but I thought it'd be fun. And here's what I'm really excited about. Verbascum Snowyspires. I thought the flowers on this were really pretty. And this seems to be a really popular plant, so I would imagine I'll be able to find it as an annual at the nurseries this year. But again, just like with that Lemonade Cosmos, just to be safe, I thought I'd get some seeds. And last but certainly not least, Evening Scentsation Petunia. Now, I also ordered some live plants of these from them, but I wanted to get some seeds too, just kind of for fun. But this particular petunia is supposed to have a really nice smell at nighttime, and that's not something you find so easy in these new hybrids that are self-cleaning, that you don't have to deadhead. A lot of the scent was lost in the hybridization, so I'm excited about that one for sure. And that's it as far as the seeds go from Burpee. Got 14 different seeds in there. They also included this nice pamphlet that has a sprouting guide for their seeds. Pretty informative, so that's nice. I did also get one of these guys right here. That right there. I guess I could actually show you it, couldn't I? Yeah, here it is. And these aren't really necessary, but you know, I got big hands and big old thick fingers, so figure it can't hurt to have something. It was only like $2 or $3. Maybe it will help scatter the seeds a little bit more evenly if I decide to start them indoors, which I think with some of them, I am probably going to be starting them inside. It all kind of depends on if I can get organized enough to make enough room over on my plant shelves that you can't see from here. But yeah, that's going to do it. Just a quick little seed haul from Burpee. Pretty excited about these guys. Why don't you guys let me know what you plan on growing this year? Any new hybrids? Anything fun? What are your favorite seed catalogs? Don't forget to leave a like. It helps the videos so much, and I really appreciate every single one of them that I get. Subscribe as well, because I upload multiple times a week. And as always, everybody, keep on growing.